Off model. Hi sir, today we are I am myself Uday Kiran. I am today we are presenting about our project. I am designing and implementing a lexical analyzer and parser for mini ATC programming language using automata theory and context-free grammar concept. Next introduction slide. In introduction, automata theory is an important concept in compiler design. Lexical analysis and syntax analysis are major phases of a compiler. In this project, we implemented a lexical analyzer and parser for the mini ATC language to check whether the program follows the grammar rules correctly. Next slide. Problem statement. The aim of this project is to design and implement a lexical analyzer and parser for the mini ATC language. The lexical analyzer identifies tokens such as keywords, identifiers, numbers, operators, and delimiters, and the parser verifies whether the given program is grammatically correct according to the CFG rules. And the next slide 4 is objectives. The main objectives of this project are to design a lexical analyzer for the mini ATC and to identify different types of tokens, to implement a CFG based parser, to verify the program syntax correctness, to understand the practical application of automata theory. Mini ATC language specification. Mini ATC is a simple programming language and a program starts with begin and ends with end. It supports declaration statements such as assignment statements and print statements. Next slide. Lexical elements. Lexical elements are the basic building blocks of the language, and keywords are reserved words such as begin, end, int, and print. And identifiers are variable names that start with a letter, and numbers are non-negative integers. DFA for numbers. This DFA is used for number recognition. If the input contains only digits, it moves to the accept state. If an invalid character or state appears, it moves to the dead state. Examples like 10, 250, 350, and 999 are valid numbers. Lexical analyzer. The lexical analyzer reads the input character by character and it removes spaces and new lines, identifies tokens, classifies them into categories, and sends them to parser. Next, context-free grammar. Context-free grammar defines the syntax rules of the language. The program structure is represented using the grammar production rules, and rules for statements, expressions, and operators are defined in the CFG. And implementation and the implementation includes input buffer, token managing functions, lexical analyzer, parser functions, grammar validation. Important functions are used to recognize keywords, identifiers, numbers, and expressions. Recursive descent parser. Recursive descent parser is a top-down parsing technique. Each grammar rule is converted into a function. These functions call each other recursively to validate the syntax. It is simple to implement and suitable for small programming languages. And the expected outcome of this project is that systems should correctly identify tokens and verify whether the mini ATC program follows the CFG rules. Conclusion. This project successfully demonstrates lexical analysis and parsing. Automata theory concepts are applied practically. The parser validates mini ATC program using CFG rules and improves understanding of compiler design and concept. And references. This references used for this project including automata theory textbooks, compiler design notes, and assignment specification and classroom notes. Thank you.